So we got this one in today for a paint correction. We did a little small spot, a demonstration spot right here. And this is what it looked like before and after. So that was one pass. So as we go along, it's gonna get better. And this is how the car looked before. There's scratches, swirls, oxidation, everything on this car. It's a lot of improvements that could be made. Some stuff is not gonna come out, but a lot of it will. We're gonna get everything that will come out and make it nice and solid again.
My old lady, my 2006 Lexus RX 400H, over to Mike and the crew because she needs some love. Her paint was in real rough shape, and it was a tough job. It took a little longer than we all anticipated. That is not a complaint. Mike really made sure to get the job right, and when we got her back, she's glistening. She's shining. She's got the mirror effect. We were so happy. It was a surprise for my husband. We're so happy with how it turned out. 24 hours after the job was done, somebody nicked the side of the car, and Mike was so kind to allow me to bring it back, and he buffed it out for me, complimentary. I mean, what kind of service, what better service could you ask for? So I'm really happy, and I think this is going to be the home for our little Lexie. Thanks, Mike. Excellency Auto Beauty.
Excellency Auto Beauty.